I can see a lot of students. I remember some of you. Please turn on the camera. All right. Hi, Abdul. Hello, Aiden. Hi, Manur. Hello. Hi, Rianshi. Okay, so I remember some of you. Let's start now. So first of all, I would like to represent Glecta here. That who is Glecta? Everyone, welcome here for Glecta. What boards do we cover? Since it's 11 plus, so we covered all the boards as well as we covered stage 2, stage 1, and independent school. For GCSE, if your siblings, if your friends are learning GCSE, so we cover all the boards. So you can share the numbers which is written at the bottom with them, right? And these are the subjects what we are covered. Like it's not only for 11 plus and GCSE, we definitely cover A levels, KS3, everything we're gonna cover, right? So you can just share the numbers which is written in the bottom. So this is about the Glecta. You will be, getting advantage to just be with Glecta. You will be getting the live classes. There would be small sessions we have. You can just have more interactive classes with the teacher. After that, you will be getting revision worksheets, doubt sessions, and the weekly reports. Sometimes you're going to get the, feedbacks from our side as well. All the teachers are experienced and DBS check teachers. So you will be get advantage for that. After that, notes you will be having the advantage to have this recorded session as well as the notes. Everything will be in your side, will be uploaded on the website. So you're going to get everything from our side as well. So these are the things. Glecta is just one-stop solution for everything. Notes, practice test, lectures, revisions, counseling, and the past papers. Everything will be received in one stop, which is Glecta. So I hope you know about the today's topic, which is algebra. Who likes algebra? I can see a lot of hand. Rianshi, what about you? Okay, so I think a lot of students, 90% students like algebra. Okay, today we're going to start with the game as well so that you can also love algebra. First of all, the requirements of the class are you should have your book or notebook and pen, pencil. Second, you should be attentive in the session. And third, your camera should be turned on, right? That is the most important thing so that I can check on you, right? And the chat box is enabled for everyone. Just write down. I'm just first giving the mock test link to everyone. You can just download it, right? This is your just worksheet kind of thing. You can practice at home. Now let's start. So these are the goals of the classes. You're going to get some 11 plus guidance today, techniques you're going to learn, some tricks you're going to learn, and the mock test what I already provided you. These are our social media platform. I'll be definitely introducing in the end, right? Let's start. So this is my activity, which is based on just algebra. Are you ready? Okay, I just want to get the answer within 30 seconds in the chat box. You need to find out the answer for the bottom row. I just received one answer. Which is deleted as well. I received only one answer again from everyone. Your time is already just over. Okay, I received one more. I'm receiving now. Okay, I'm giving you 30 more seconds to quickly work out, get the answer for the bottom. I just received only one answer correct till now, which means there is something mistake you are doing it. Just be careful. As I told you, the requirements of the class, be attentive. No, Amrita, we will be covering the nth term definitely as a question of 11 plus. But if you want some help on that, I'll be definitely explaining that. I'm getting different answers, but not the perfect answers exactly. Okay, it's my time to tell you guys what is the correct answer. So what exactly we do, I'm explaining from the beginning now. When there are three things together, which means three broccolis will give you 60. So each has to be 20, right? Similarly, if this is 20, then one carrot must be 10 so that when I add, it would be 40, right? So what I got to know that one carrot is 10 and one tomato would be, anyone has idea? Just show me with the fingers. What would be, no, what about the fingers? Yes, that should be 2, right? Because 10 add 2 would be 22. So don't forget, be attentive. This is times. Don't forget, this is not add. So this is 10, this is 2, add what we do, this is 20, right? So when I times 10 with 2, that is 20, and 20 add 20, which is 40. Now I can see that a lot of students are getting correct now, but some of you, I hope you get the answer. Why it is wrong? This is your attentiveness test, right? So you have to do this thing. Always be attentive while doing algebra. And this is the starting of algebra. Instead of the pictures, if they give you x plus x plus x, which is 60, this is algebra. They just replace the shape with x. Nothing changed. Get my point? Okay, so is there anyone who didn't understand? Okay, then let's start. So right now, first we will be learning about the things, how to add and how to take away, and then we'll start the questions. So these are the addition and subtraction variables. If you want to add some variables like 2a plus 3a, 7x plus y. So remember everything. A is apple, B is banana. So you can't mix apple and banana, but you have apple and apple, you can definitely add, right? This is why 3a plus 3a, that is simple, 6a. Never add apple with banana, never add a with b, even any other variable. These are the basics rules in algebra. When you learn, it will be really amazing, okay? So this is your first question of 11 plus. We're going to start with today. Are you guys ready? Do you guys want to try first? I want the answer for 5 bananas. For that, I would be working for 1 banana. What is the answer for 1 banana? What is the cost of 1 banana? So what I do? Okay, Amrita, you can work. Let's start. Everyone can try first. Think about your knowledge and use your knowledge in this. And then I'll be there. Hi, Rianshi. It's been a long time. All right. Just try the question and write your answer. Is it the cost of 1? Aisha. Is it the cost of 1? I'm still waiting for the cost of 1 banana. So what exactly is this question? This question's from algebra simultaneous equation. You can create a simultaneous equation to get the answer. All right, I'm getting the answers from Kyra, Aisha, Amna, right? Abdul. All right. Punitha, I'm getting the answer from your side as well. All right, Ayat. Okay, now it's my time because I can see there are different answers I'm receiving. So what exactly is the answer? Let's have a look. So what I do in these kind of questions, when I have 3 apples and 2 bananas, right? I can also write 3A and 2B, right? Which will give me the total of 125p, right? I'm just solving in the pen so that it will be easier, right? And 1 apple, which means 1A, add 1B. Yes, Navya?
Can I quickly get a charger because my iPad's about to die?
Yeah, definitely. I'm just writing, okay? So 1A plus 1B is 48p, right? Now, what if I have 1 apple and 1 banana, cost is this? I want to just, take away them. I want to eliminate either banana and apple. I would find out the cost of 2 apples and 2 bananas, right? That means if 1 apple, 1 banana will give me 48 pence, then 2 apples, 2 bananas will give me double of 48. Get it? That is 2A, 2 bananas will give me double of 48, which is, anyone? Which is 96p, right? Yeah. Now, yes, Abdul. Now, what if do? So what I do, I take away them. So when I take away the 3 apples and 2 bananas, I would left with only 1 apple. And 2 bananas, take away 2 bananas, that is 0. 125 take away 96 is what, anyone? 108, 25, take away 96. Quickly get the answer in the chat box. All right, I'm getting the answer. Yeah, you guys are getting really well. That's really good. So 125 taking away 96 is 29p. So here I got the value for apple, 1 apple. That means if 1 apple is 26, if 1 apple is 26p, then what about 1 banana? Yes, Rianshi, you will tell.
I thought it was like 1 apple was 29p.
Oh, yeah, it is. Oh, sorry. I meant to write 29 because I'm saying 29. All right. So it is 29. I was asking a question to you, Rianshi. What is the answer? If 1 apple is 29, right? So what about 1 banana? Till then, everyone can write in the chat box. Yes, it's 19p. 1 banana, everyone, you guys can get the cost for 19. What about 5 bananas then? Now I think everyone got the answer, right? This is how we work. Yes, Advik, you got it. Abdul, you got it. And everyone is getting correct now. So 5 bananas will cost you 19p times 5, which is 95p. Clear? So what I did, Ayat, I just, double the number because 1 apple, 1 banana will give me this much. What about 2 apples and 2 bananas? That means it is 96p, right? So if I take away this equation, which is written by red and the purple one, so what do I get? 3 take away 2, just 1 apple left. 2 bananas take away 2 bananas, that is 0 bananas. And this amount take away this amount will give me the answer. Get it now? This is the cost for 1 apple. If 1 apple is this, then you can easily find out 1 banana, right? Okay. Now, this is a kind of same question of simultaneous equation, which is, came for 4 marks question. So I want everyone can first working on the same and writing the answer in the chat box. I'm not getting any answer. Yes, Navya?
I didn't get it.
Okay, so what you can do, take the number of balls as A and the number of bats as B, right? So make the equation that will definitely help you. Just imagine you have 3 balls and 1 bat, right? I'm not good in drawing, so just assume this is my bat, okay? Now, 1 ball and 3 bat, right? And I want 4 balls and 4 bats. So what you do? Get any idea? I hope you got it. When you add them, it will be the answer, right? That's the way you can do, okay? Yeah. Algebra is nothing more than the images, drawings. Always use your drawing. Yes?
I can't send it in the chat box.
You can tell me the answer then. No, I'm not getting your answer. I can just hear your background noise, not you.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, I can.
Is the answer 4?
No, I'll tell you how to do. Just give me a minute. Okay. So what I do, now I'm getting the perfect answers. Whenever you guys stuck on these kind of question, as I gave you idea in the beginning, algebra is nothing more than the pictures. Always take the help of pictures. If 3 balls and 1 bat will give you 58 pence, right? Similarly, 1 ball, 3 bat, you just get 62p, right? I want the cost of, what if I buy 4 balls and 4 bats? Then what do I exactly need to do? I add them. Clear? So the total of 4 balls and 4 bats will be the total of 58 plus 62. This is how we do it. So we add the 4 balls. And if you add this and this will be the total 4 bats, which will give you the cost of 58 at 62. Clear? This is in a pence, so when you add, it would be getting in a pence as well, right? So this is 120p, which is 1.20. That's it. Clear? Any question? All right. Now, with the same way, you can work out B and C. Just try to do with images. That will be really helpful. I'm waiting for the answer for all the students. Quickly work out. Yes, Abdul, it's correct. And Nusa got correct. All right, Amrit, I'll explain for B part now. So what you do? Yes, Amna, it's correct. For B part, since they are asking for 1 ball and 1 bat, right? And just to get you confused, they are writing 1 in the number and the other one in the letters. Don't be just, confused. Everything will be easy. 1 ball, 1 bat, right? If 4 balls, 4 bats will give you 120p, what about 1 ball and 1 bat then? If 4 balls, 4 bat, total will give you 120, then what about 1 ball and 1 bat? Yes, now you are getting. You can see that how it will be easy when you think about it, when you imagine the things. So it would be, you are dividing everything with 4, because everything has 4. So when you divide 4 balls with 4, it's just 1 ball. 4 bats divided by 4, that is just 1 bat. And 120 divided by 4, that is just 30. That's the answer. Clear? 1 bat, 1 ball is 30. This is why 4 bats and 4 balls is 120. Yes. Now, with the help of A and B, you can also try C. Even you can include the top one as well, information. So what about how much does 1 ball cost? 1 ball. It's not 15, Adwig. Just think about it more. No, it's not 10. You guys are really close. Yes, Navya? Yes, I gave you the option.
My chat box disappeared.
Oh, you can just tell me the answer. What do you think?
9.
No, that's wrong. I didn't get any correct answer except from Abdul. Okay, so what exactly I do? No, it's not. Yes, Manur, it's correct. Okay, what exactly I do? Now I'll tell you. In these kind of question of simultaneous equation, right? These are the advanced level question in which we just have to do something like this. Now, when we want to just find out 1 ball, right? So what I do, I picked up the top one in which there will be a lot of ball, but just 1 bat. Now, in a lot of ball and 1 bat, it is easier to eliminate a bat, right? But in the bottom, there will be a lot of bat, I will not pick it. So what I do when we have 3 balls, add 1 bat will give me 58p, right? If I take away this amount, this number, which has just 1 ball and just 1 bat, which is giving me 30. So what will be the answer if I take away? So I just cancel bat with bat because I'm taking away, right? 58 pence take away 30, which is just 28 pence, right? And 3 balls take away 1 ball will be giving me 2 balls, right? So what does 1 ball mean? How much cost you for 1 ball? 1 ball is, yes, Hakis, it's correct. So 1 ball is 2 times what number is 28? That's the question. So 1 ball will be just 14p, right? Yes, Nusa, it's correct. Yes, Sayan, it's correct. So what I did, I repeat. I first have taken the top one because we just have 1 bat and I want to remove 1 bat so that I can have the answer for balls, right? We don't want bat. This is the reason. Just give me a minute, Aisha. This is the reason I am just taking away the B answer from the first one, right? You can see that how I take away 3 balls, 1 bat, 58 pence. When I take away 1 ball and 1 bat, you can see that taking away bat with bat, that is 0. There is no use now. So taking away, wait, no one is allowed to write. Yeah. 3 balls take away 1 ball. That is just 2 balls left, right? This is the reason whatever is remaining, I'm going to get the answer. 2 balls, 2 times balls will be giving me 28. What about 1 ball? Definitely 14. Yes, now what is your doubt? Yes, you guys are getting perfect answer. Yes, Ayat.
I don't really get how you got 14 pence for 1 ball.
Okay, I'll tell you again. This is the simultaneous equation question. You know, when we have balls and bat together, because we don't know what exactly bat and ball for us, right? What is the cost of one bat and one ball? So this is why you take away, either you take away or you add something to get one, right? Now, just imagine if you want the cost of ball, so that means bat cost will not matter to you, right? So I want to try to just eliminate this so that I can have the cost of ball. This is the reason I'm picking up the thing that when I buy 3 balls and 1 bat will give me 58p, right? And when I have, 1 ball and 1 bat, I'm just making into the bottom like this. When I buy just these two things together, I just have to pay 30p. That means exactly if I take away the gap, right? So what is the gap of them? The gap is, which means take away. A bat take away bat is 0, right, Ayat?
Yeah.
Okay, you can you hear me? You can just write in a chat box. All right, Menur. Okay, and similarly, 3 balls take away 1 ball is what?
2.
2 balls, right? And which means the 2 balls will cost me the gap of 58p and 30p, which is 28p, right?
Yeah.
So what about 1 ball then? 1 ball is
14.
yes, you got it. Clear? So this is how you take away something in order to get answer. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm moving ahead. This is your next question. You guys can try, take your time, but I need answer again. Again, always think about it, be attentive, and think carefully. That's wrong, Nissa. With this question, you can do in the 2 kinds of way. Like there are 2 ways to do. Yes, Abdul. You can use Adam as well as algebra, both. Yes, Trishti, it's correct. No, Amrita, it's wrong. Neha is correct. Abdul is correct. And Dhanya is correct. I hope I've just taken your name correct. Okay, so what exactly I do? I would be taking up the side which is missing. I mean, the angle which is missing, which is the base angle is x. Now we have 3 parts of something, right? That means it's 3x. 4 parts of something, that means it's 4x, and 5 of something, it's 5x. As we know, the total of all the angles is 180. That's it. We just solve it. 3x plus 4x plus 5x. 3 apples plus 4 apples plus 5 apples. How many apples? 12 apples. Similarly, 12x, right? Now, 12 times something is 180. When I want to find out the answer, I just divide it, right? So 180 divided by 12, and the answer is, I'm going to use a trick in this. Yes, Ayat?
15.
Yes, it is 15. So whenever it's you guys stuck, because some of you I'm definitely sure are stucking on, on the division part, always use a trick. Whenever you want to divide something with even number, then take half of the same time. Half of 180 is 90, half of 12 is 6. And taking half and half, which is, the question easier. Now you can recognize it's 15, right? That's the answer, which means my smallest angle, the base angle, just 15. Something has 3 times, 3 parts has 3x, something has 4x, and the largest will have 5x, right? So the largest angle will be just 5x, which is 5 times 15. That's the answer is 75 degrees. All right, Amrita. Clear? So we don't multiply by 3 because the question is asking the largest angle they want. Clear? This is the reason. Yes.
Can I please go to the bathroom?
All right. Yes, Anne.
How did you get 5x equals 5 times 15?
Okay, so what is the what is the value for x? You got 15, right?
15. Yeah.
And 5x, that means 5 is multiplying with x, right?
Oh, okay, I got it.
All right. All right, so we are coming on to the next question. Before that, you can see that there will be the next session as well, which is on next Saturday, 3rd February. So keep in your notes, write down the date as well, or just take a picture. The next live session is for 11 plus NVR. The topic is cubes and nets. Also, the computer science, right? So you will be getting the timings 1 and the 2. You can just update if your any sibling is doing GCSE, then definitely share it with them. And for 11 plus, I want everyone will be in the NVR session as well, right? Let's have a next question. This is your next question. This time, I'll be giving you the time limit, which is just 1 minute. Are you ready? Yes, Navya.
Does the x still equal 15?
You need to write in a chat box. Wait, is your chat box working?
No, I'm saying does the x still mean 15?
No, no. The last one, if I'm talking about, then definitely yes, but not in this. Every question will have a different x, okay? So I want answer from everyone. And I think I received one of the answer. Yes, Abdul, it's correct. Also, I will be telling you one more thing about the Abdul in the end. I think he knows. All right. No, that's not correct. Advik, you got it correct. Your time is already up, so I'm going to tell you the answer. Nusa got it correct. Divya got it correct. What exactly we do? Whatever is given, follow the rule. Since the perimeter is given, then add them. You know how to add this thing? This is the most important thing to add. So the first thing to add, I will definitely prefer, x togethers. What is 9x add 4x? 13x. But 6x is taking away. Don't add it because something is taking away, having x, then I would definitely take away. Clear? Which is, 7x, right? Because 13 apples take away 6 apples are just 7x. Get it? Now, coming on to the numbers, we just have 61 take away 3. I will definitely take the negative sign because it is saying that we are taking away. 61 take away 3 is what? 58, right? That means this is saying that when you have 7x take away 58, the whole thing is just 86. Clear? And then you solve the whole, everything. It is just add, yeah. So you just solve the everything and get the answer. So let's solve now. You know, when something is adding on the other side, remember how to solve, because I have seen a lot of students are struggling on the solving these kind of things. This is your country boundary. This is country 1, this is country 2. If anyone wants to go from one country to another country, So the person has to change its sign. That's the disadvantage in maths, right? So if this person wants to go from this side, so this is adding. The inverse is, the opposite thing is taking away. So you have to take away then. So here just 7x left. Here 86 would be there, but 58 would be there, and you take away. Now, the thing is 7 times a number is 28. So what is x? X is just 4. Clear? This is how we do. Is there anyone who still, struggles how to solve these equations? Yes, Ayan.
Miss, like I used 61 minus 6x plus 9x minus 3 plus 4x equals 86. And then I continued to simplify it. I got 15x. Wait.
That was a mistake you did. It's not 15 because you added 6. But what exactly we have? We have minus 6, right? That means you have to take away 6. Get your
No, but
mistake?
I mean that I didn't get 15. I got 19x equals 150.
That's the mistake because it's not 19. When you add 9 and 4, that's 13, right? But
Yeah.
you have to take away 6x because 6x is taking away, not adding. Right?
Oh.
And you added. That was a mistake. I'll give you option one by one. Ayan, please mute yourself. Yes, Ayan?
I don't really get it. I get this part, but
Mhm.
I don't get what to do, how you got the 7x and the 58.
Okay, I'll explain again. Everyone, can you please write down your queries in the chat box because I can see a lot of hands are raised, right? I'll quickly explain the question so that if you have a doubt, you can just say, right? So what exactly I did? Yes.
My chat box doesn't work.
Okay, but did you get the same answer? No? Do you need help on anything in this?
A bit.
Okay, I'll just explain it again. So what I did, since the perimeter is given, for that, I would add all the numbers, right? So let's add with me. You can add x with x and the numbers with numbers, right? First, I'm taking, what are the numbers we have? 9x, add 4x, and negative 6x. Is this correct? Everyone, show me thumbs up if yes, thumbs down for no. Okay, you got it, right? Okay. Now, what I do, 9x plus 4x. What is 9 apples plus 4 apples? 13 apples, right? That is 13x. And what is 13x take away 6x? That means 13 apples I have, but I'm taking away 6 apples. I'm eating 6 apples because I'm hungry right now. So that means I just left with 7 apples, 7x. That's it. Clear? So because this thing has negative 6s, which is changing the whole answer, which is 7x. Now, if I'm coming on 58, how do I get 58? I would pick the numbers only. 61 because they don't have x. And minus 3, right? What's 61 minus 3? Yes. (61 minus 3 is just 58, right? And since it's a positive number, I just put the plus, and this is how I got 7x plus 58. Yes, I can see now in the chat box. Is this clear? Show me thumbs up if yes. If not, if you still have a doubt, show me thumbs down. Okay, even you can write down in the chat box if you are getting it. You just add x with x. Remember, nobody wants to drink apple, banana, and different fruit juice together, right? Every fruit has to be added in itself. Similarly, every x has to be added and subtracted in itself, right? Okay, Navya, we just added x with x. Even I have mentioned there 9x plus 4x, which is 13x, right, Navya? And there is something which is taking away. So you have to do it. What's 13 take away 6? 7, right? Similarly, what's 13x take away 6x? That is still 7x. Similarly, if you have something which doesn't have any x, any y, that's the answer, which means you just take away 61 you have, -3 you have, you solve together, which means you solve when they don't have x. 61 take away 3 is 58, and that's the number you got. This is how you got it. Apple and banana milkshake because you added. Okay, Abdul, I can't even imagine this. Apple and banana together. Coming on to the next question. Okay, I want to just tell you one thing. So here is Abdul, which is in year 6 as of now. So he just take the classes with us, and Abdul will tell he got the. Yes, Abdul. I found
I passed the 11 plus.
and got the 3rd rank, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So he passed the 11th plus and he got the 3rd rank. So really well. Hi, Abdul, and his brother is also there. He also passed the exams.
He got 16th in the same class. Go in.
Yeah, he got the 16 and Abdul Hafiz got 3rd rank for 11 plus. So that is really appreciable. What he does, you can all do the same. He was really practicing hard. Even I remember he was submitting his assignments, I mean, all the time, right? Even he didn't miss any mock tests. So you can just do practice like him. Practice all the mock tests with the time limit. That is the most important thing, right? So I just want, you can also take a half-term course. We are starting the half-term course, so in which we will be covering advanced maths, English, NVR, VR, creative writing, and for the for first 10 students there will be 10% off. For more details, the numbers are mentioned. I would also give you homework, guys, right? Without homework, the lesson is not completed. So this is your homework. You can write your answers in the, sorry, you can write your answer in the comment box. This video is going to be uploaded on YouTube of Glecta. So you can write down the answer in the comment box, right? Let's see who can give it more answers. Okay? Not in the chat box, in the comment box. Okay, so I'm going to just give you this question as the homework question as well. Just take a picture. Done? Okay. Yes, Ed?
Could you show me the other question?
Okay,
The one that we can see in the comment box.
All right, I'll definitely show you. First, you can just take these pictures for homework and definitely we can go ahead, right? Done? Okay, this is also your homework, which is on the nth rule. If anyone is struggling on nth rule, because I think the last week we did it, right? So these are the admissions for 2024 to 25. Again, first 20 students will be getting 20% off. This is the regular admissions, like for the classes, for KS2, for any board, the Glecta will be taking up, right? And this is your best question for, this is the challenging question for everyone. I want everyone's answer in the, YouTube channel video, whatever the video will be uploaded for this, you can write your answers in that, okay? This is the best challenging question for everyone, and let's see who can give it. Are you ready for the trick now, for math tricks? Okay, so this is your trick. You have 5 seconds to answer in the chat box. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. That's correct, Abdul. No, it's not correct, Nisa. That's correct, but you guys are giving your answer after the time ends, except Abdul. I think he knows the trick. I am just taking up. Okay, so what exactly is the trick? I'll tell you how to do these kind of questions within 5 seconds. Whenever anything we multiply with 5, it is multiply with 5, right? Just give me a minute. I'll be just giving option. Even at the same time, you can just write down the answer in the chat box, right? So what I do, I first take half of the number. Whenever it's easier to take half, just quickly take half. 1, 2, 0, 3. Whatever is the number coming, just multiply with the 10, which means just give 1 0 in the end. And here is the answer. 12030, 12,030. Right? Again, I'm giving you a question. What you need to do, take half and give 1 0 in the end. Okay? Take half and 0. Yeah. So the question is, are you guys ready? Okay. You have 5 seconds. Remember that. Once I will be done with writing, you will be having it just 5 seconds. Right? So the question is, multiplied 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. I receive a lot of answers till now. Well done. You can see that your speed is already improved. So do these kind of questions regularly. Yes, it is. It is. It is correct. So it is 21120. Right? Okay. So this is one trick. I would like to tell you one more trick, which is just totally, based on this. What if I want to divide any number with 5? Some of you, I shared some, some tricks in a class. I hope you guys remember. I would, think that you guys remember. Some who are new here, I'll quickly share the trick. When you want to divide a number with 5, let's take the normal number like 1,234 with 5, right? That would be coming up in a decimal. But what I do totally reverse. Instead of taking half, I will just double it. 2, 4, 6, 8. And now instead of multiplying with 10, I divide it with 10, which means I give a decimal. And this is the answer, which means I do the reciprocal of the things, opposite. So what I did, I first double this and then I place a decimal before ones. Right? So the tricks are really interrelated to each other. What you have to do, start learning the tricks, focusing on the tricks, and use your tricks in the classes as well as questions. Okay? Anyone still have a doubt? Advik, do you want me to explain again? No? Anyone? Show me thumbs up if you got it. Okay. Show me thumbs up if you are going to use it. Show me 2 thumbs up if you both thumbs up if you are going to use it. All right. So I'll be showing now your playtime questions. Perfect. Now you guys can just now remove it. Yeah. So this is now playtime, in which I am going to give you some, riddles and trickiest question in maths. Are you ready? Okay. You guys can write your answer within 20 to 30 seconds in the chat box. And this is the question. Nusa is wrong. Advik is wrong. David is wrong. Aisha is wrong. Abdul is wrong. I just received one answer correct, Dhanya. You are correct. I'm just waiting for all first. Yes, Ayan.
Miss, is my answer correct?
No. I'm just taking the name who are correct. Yes.
Is it 12?
No. Let's see whose mind is still working after doing a lot of questions of algebra. No, Ayan, it's wrong. I just got correct answer from Ayat and Dhanya. Yeah, only 2. So the correct answer is, since I got the answer first correct from Dhanya. Where is Dhanya? I can't see you. Dhanya, can you please raise your hand? I can't still see her. Yes, now I can see a lot of answers I'm getting correct. Yes, Ayan. It is 4. Just 4. Read the question again. There are 2 ducks in front of 2 others. There are 2 behind of 2 others, right? There are 2 ducks beside 2 others. That is just 2. I mean, that is just 4, right? Which will be fulfilling all the conditions. Read it again now.
Miss, can I
Yes.
explain? Oh, yeah, yeah.
Okay. All right. Just quickly, because I have one more thing.
Okay, so 2 ducks in front of 2 other ducks, and there are 2 ducks behind the 2 other ducks, and those are still the same ducks.
Yes.
The last,
And
then
if I'm talking about besides, that is still same, right?
yeah.
So words, sometimes maths also use these kind of words to just, get you confused. Always be careful. I'll be checking one more time your maths, right, in the next question. So this is your question. You have 20 seconds to remember maths. There is a thing which is in maths. Shrishti got correct. Navya, no. Ayan got correct. Nusa, no. Yeah, no. Abdul, you need to write in a proper way. Navya, no. Advik, no. We can't say sphere has circle, right? Sphere has 3 circles. We can't say this, right? Amna, we don't say that sphere has 3 angles, right? Yes, Abdul, it is. All right, so now it's my time to tell you guys again. So the answer is dimensions. 2 dimension, 3 dimensions. Similarly, sphere has 3 dimension, 3D shape. Circle has, only 2. That is 2D. And a point has none. Get it? Amrita, did you get it? I can see your face. You got a shock. Yes, Ayan. Do you want to explain again? No, Ayan. Then, yes, Ayushman.
Miss, I have a math riddle.
Okay, you can write in the chat box. I'll definitely ask to everyone. Yes, Ayushman?
I just don't understand.
Oh, okay. Do you know about the 2D shapes, 3D shapes?
Yeah.
So what is D in that? Dimensions, right? So
Yeah.
sphere has 3. What is 3? 3 dimensions. What is exactly they're talking about? The answer is dimensions. Sphere has 3D, right? Sphere has 3 dimensions. Circle has 2 dimensions and a point has none. So what is that? Dimensions. Get it now?
Oh, okay. Yeah, I get it.
All right. All right. Everyone is asking the question in the chat box. I can see that. That is a coin, Ayat. Half of 2 plus 2, right, Ayan? Your question is just, the answer is 2. Yes, half of 2 plus 2. There is a bracket or not? Or there's a trick right in the chat box. Also, this is okay, now we are coming up in the end as well. So these are the primary schools, secondary schools, higher schools. We are just giving the free sessions, free demo sessions. So you can take a free demo session for any class, for any, subject for which you want to enroll. We have a success rate is 98%, which is for the child improvement. Definitely, you can also take a demo session and have a look, right? So I'll be just moving ahead, and for more details, right? Also, if you guys want more material, right? If you want more quizzes, these kind of things will be uploaded on Telegram channel. You can click the name, right? Click a picture and write the name. You can join this Telegram channel or the things. You can just connect with us. In there, you will be getting more quizzes, more material on maths, on NVR or VR, English. Everything will be uploaded on, Telegram channels. Connect with us. Do practice a lot because practice makes you perfect. Right? And not about the question, right? It's a board maths question you're talking about, right? I get it now, right? I hope you understood. Next session is for NVR. Everyone can join, this next Saturday session at 1. So bye-bye and practice a lot. Bye. Don't forget to write your answers in the comment box.